Business leaders can often feel trapped with cravings and emotional eating. After a stressful day, it's easy to turn to comfort food, alcohol, or things that just aren't helping you move towards your goals. I understand that. We've all probably been there. That feeling of guilt and frustration can often continue to pile up and only just sucking you deeper and deeper. At Reform Fitness, we understand how difficult it can to manage those emotional cravings. Our one-on-one coaching specifically help teach our clients mindful eating habits and actually personalize an approach to help you see results and keep those results. Follow us for more efficient exercise habits.